So I got some questions about how did I come up with the entry on COTI, or I don't know how to pronounce that name, but whatever. So I got my entry here. Let me show you the entry. It's here, and then I gave a limit, but it got front end, whatever. So how did I come up with this level, right? I highlighted the level, and I want to talk about how I got that. Because some people tried to chart it and didn't get that same level, which is perfectly normal. We could, do the same charting or apply the same tactics on the same charts, and we could get different levels. It's like I said before, it's less objective, but it's still it's less subjective, but it's still kind of subjective. Like it's as objective as you can get, I think, in my opinion. So yeah, what I do is I kind of look at the price action and try to come up with the meaningful explanations to the reactions. Okay, so what I see here is so we have this start, whatever, we pumped up, we got back, we rejected that somewhere, and that's a level, right? That's no I mean that's our top. So we came back to retest it, we even close above it, which is a fake out, and then we rejected even harshly, right? Even more, even harder. And at some point we stopped, which is, I was expecting it to be this level, which could make sense. I mean, if I was seeing this chart right here, and I would have put my limit here, not here, because it's not a level yet. We now only know that's a level. So we got rejected and came to the that somewhere, and that somewhere pushed us back above, which is what the fuck is going on? Okay, so we come back below here, and we got some limits filled. We found buyers, and we came back up. So that's a bounce, right? As you can see, like we came up, we came down, and we bounced somewhere. So that's pretty interesting right now. But we need more data to say that's a good level, right? So then we came back below that level and came back to test it, and we got rejected again. So that's good. So seems like this was a support, and now it turned to a resistance, right? And then it came back below. We came back to test it. We break above it. We closed 3 days or 4 days above it, or even 7 days. Like we spent a week above that, and we broke down again. And then we came back above it. This was a fake out, clear fake out, and break down, get above that, hold it, but another resistance, and the top got us rejected, and we came below that, which is really long time. And then after this small bear market or small range in whatever, I don't want to even talk about it. After that, we got above that again, and we rejected on the top, which makes sense, and we came back to stop somewhere. We stopped at this weekly level, which is really perfect. I like that price action. And then we got above the level we had, and then we also have this weekly level here, which creates a confluence zone, in my opinion. Like this whole area is so important. So like if we close the daily above here, or even weekly above here, that'd be like just send it to $1 or something. So like yeah, we broke down, we came back to retest it. We didn't get rejected above here. We rejected here, which is kind of good, right? So like we have all these actions. Like if we are in the below that level, that blue line, that level is almost always rejecting us. Like sure, yeah, we sometimes get above that, but rejects again, and then the minute we reject that level acts like a resistance, and it acts like a really good resistance, right? So, and the reason I'm really bullish right now is we already have a fake out here, right? And the market is super good. I love the market right now. I think we have like a local bottom. So then I saw that price action here, even though we already had a huge dildo here. What the fuck? Let me remove that. Even though we have this daily candle there, it still has strength, and which is the another topic I talked on my other videos. So yeah, that's pretty much how I got the level. I hope it answers your questions. If not, just let me know. See ya.